Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to create Asana tasks for new Pipedrive deals. So imagine this, a guy called as John has created a deal in Pipedrive. So you have John's name, email address and rest of the deal's data. So the idea is that you want to create a task in Asana using the data of this deal. So here you have two choices. The first choice is copy all the data relating to this deal from Pipedrive, sort it out and manually create a task in Asana. Now the problem with this approach is it's actually very repetitive and tiresome. So I would suggest that you bring in some automation so that whenever a new deal is added in Pipedrive, it will automatically create a task in Asana. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Pipedrive and Asana. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so this is my Pipedrive account and we are going to begin with a small example. So the idea is that once a deal is created in Pipedrive, it will be reflected as a task in Asana. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to create a new deal and the name of the person is, let's say, Tom Cruise, and the title of the deal is DLF deal and the value is 1000 in terms of Indian rupees. And the pipeline stage is negotiation started. The close date is of 24th of April 2021. And let me just click on save. Okay, so a deal called as DLF deal has been created. So let me just explore Asana and let me just refresh this. Okay, so the idea is that once a deal is created in Pipedrive, it will be reflected as a task. So let me see. Oh yes, we do have a task from Tom Cruise. So basically this is the whole gist. If a deal is created in Pipedrive, it will be reflected as a task in Asana. Now to begin the actual integration process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com. So your obvious question is, why pabbly.com? Well, we have an app called as Pabbly Connect that will integrate Pipedrive and Asana. So this is the website of pabbly.com. Here I'll just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also build your own free account in just 2 minutes. So let me just scroll down and here you will find Connect. Just click on Access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this. Now, before I create a workflow, there is something I have to do. So I have a working workflow that is Pipedrive integration. I'm going to switch off this workflow. The reason is if we are going to create a new workflow, there will be clash of results between the old workflow and the new workflow. So it is actually none of your concern. Let me just begin from scratch by clicking on Create Workflow. Okay, so I'm going to give a name to this workflow. How about Pipedrive to Asana? And let me just click on Create. Okay, so when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. In the choose app, how about we make it as Pipedrive? Because we want to send the data from Pipedrive, that is why. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new deal? Okay, so new deal is a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new deal is made in a Pipedrive, then what action should be taken by the system? We do have a ton of triggers like a new person, new organization, new product, new user, new stage. All of them are a bunch of trigger events. Now in case if you want more triggers of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com to custom build a trigger event for you. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new event or a new deal is made in Pipedrive. So basically the gist is we are just trying to integrate Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect. So let me just click on Connect with Pipedrive. In the new credentials, we have to fill in the API token. So to get the API token, let me just take you to Pipedrive. Okay, so this is my Pipedrive account. Let me just take you to my profile. Here you will find the option called as company settings. Click this. Okay, so this is my company settings page. So at the top you will find the option called as personal preferences. Click this. Okay, now at the side you will find the tab for API. Click this. So this is your API key. Copy this and simply paste it here. Easy. Okay, and let me just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, you have two things to fill, that is the webhook URL as well as the company domain. Now in my case, this is my company domain, so I've just copied these words, Bihari, and I'm just going to copy this and I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, so our company domain is ready. So basically in most of the cases, when webhook URL appears in front of you, you copy this webhook URL and paste it into the triggering software. But here all you have to do is just click on save and send test request after mentioning the company domain. So basically it will fetch all the data from this webhook using this webhook. So let me do that. Let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that we have integrated with this particular domain, that is Bihari. So what we are going to do here is, since PipeDrive is integrated with this particular domain, that is Bihari, in PipeDrive, it basically means that anytime a new deal is created in PipeDrive, PipeConnect has to capture the data. So as to ensure that PipeConnect captures this data, let me just click on this button, capture webhook response. Okay, so it is showing it is waiting for the data. So I'm just going to create a new deal. Okay, so let me just click on deal. So these are the details. So the person's name is Selenia Gomez. The organization is Starbucks, and the title of the deal is Starbucks, and this is the valuation and proposal made, and we have the end date. Okay, so 27th of April 2021, and let me just click on save. Okay, so as you can see, a new deal called a Starbucks deal has been created. So let me just go to PipeConnect and let's explore it. So as you can see, we do have some details. So let me just scroll down. So the name of the title is Starbucks deal. This is the valuation and the currency is INR. And the status is kept as open. The person's name is Selenia Gomez and the organization is Starbucks. Okay, so basically using all these details, we are going to create a task in Asana. So to do that, let me introduce one more window. So this is an action window. Now in the Choose app, how about we make it as Asana? Okay, Asana it is. Now in the action event, how about we make it as create a task? Okay, so create a task is an action event. We have a ton of action events like create a project, edit a project, update a task, delete a task, duplicate a task. All of them are a bunch of action events. Now in case if you want more action events according to your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@theratepabri.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I simply want to just create a task in Asana. So let me just click on connect with Asana. And the new credentials, connect with Asana. Okay, so it is showing the authorization is successful. Just press OK. Okay, so when you click on OK, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of these blanks is very simple. We are going to create a task in Asana from the data that we have received from PipeDrive via PipeConnect. So let me just impose the name of the person. So let me introduce this button. This button is called as the mapping button. When we click this, we will find all the details that we have received from PipeDrive. And so here I'm going to map the name of the deal. So the name of the deal is Starbucks deal. So we have mapped it. Now in the notes, I'm going to mention the name of the person. So the name of the person is Selenia. Okay, so how about deal made by, and oh, I'm sorry, I'm just going to type those things here. Deal made by, and here I'm just going to map Selenia Gomez. Okay, so we are going to ignore the due at, but we are going to definitely mention the due on. Okay, so the due on is the date. I think it was 27th of April. So where is 27th of April? Nope. Yeah, this is the one, due date. And the assignee, I'm keeping it as Ashirai. The follower, I'm keeping it as Ashirai. So basically, what are those? So as you can see, we do have a ton of people all mentioned as Ashirai. So these are all the people that is present in my Asana account. So I'm mentioning one of them as Ashirai. Okay, now coming to the project, we do have a ton of projects like RET request, Salesforce, calendar events, Bright. So let me just show you. Let me just take you to my account. So as you can see, these are all the projects we have. So even if I create a new project, so let me just create a new project from scratch, and the name of the project is Deals in PipeDrive. Okay, and let me just click on next, create project. Okay, so a new project called as Deals in PipeDrive has been created. So basically the idea is that once a new project is created in PipeDrive, it will be reflected in PipeConnect. This is because PipeConnect is integrated with PipeDrive. So let me just refresh this. So in the dropdown, we can expect to find this newly created project that is Deals in PipeDrive in the dropdown. So let's have a look. Yeah, we do have the project Deals in PipeDrive. So now the idea is that once a task is created, it will be added to this project, okay, deals in Pipedrive. And the workspace, I'm keeping it as IT, so there is only one workspace, that is IT. So now comes the tag. So these are the tags we have. Now if you want to impose more tags, you just go here and create more tags. I'm not going to do that. So the tags I'm giving is blue. So let me just click on save and send as request to create a task in Asana. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent. So yeah, we do have the deal, Starbucks deal. Okay, so the presence of this task in Asana shows that we have successfully integrated Pipedrive and Asana with help of Pabbly Connect. Now, before you leave, let me just explain you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So here I'm going to minimize the action window, and here I'm going to minimize the trigger window. So basically, this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Pipedrive to Pabbly Connect, and then you have integrated Pabbly Connect to Asana. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Pipedrive and Asana. Excellent.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.